Hello my loves, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're gonna be talking about the skincare mistakes you're still making, Lono. She's like, why are you still making these mistakes? Anyways, let's get straight into it. But before that, if this is the very first time you're seeing this face, hello, I am Jovita and I would love it, please take a second for you to subscribe to this channel so that you can keep watching these amazing videos. Also, just being subscribed is not enough. You have to like thumbs up the video if you like it, put down a comment if you like it, share it with a friend if you like it. I know YouTube makes it difficult for us to survive, but a lot of you have been telling me that Jovi, your videos are not showing up in my feed, and well, that's because you are not engaging. You might be shy, but yeah, that prevents my videos from showing up on your feed, okay? But that's not what this video is about. Let's get started. Anyways, the very first skincare mistake you're making is, I know you've heard it, you've read it in all the magazines and articles, you're tired of seeing it, hearing it, but popping your pimple. Now there is a little bit of there. Now if the pimple is really ripe, okay, and it's not gonna go down, it's not gonna subside, I honestly feel there is only one way out. It's gonna pop on its own when you're in the shower or when you're sleeping, or you can pop it. But the problem over here is many people don't know how to pop it properly. You know, that is why this age-old advice, and even dermatologists say not to pop your pimples. Like if you actually go to a doctor, they're gonna pop it for you, you know, but there is a right way. A lot of time, because we don't know how to do it, we end up pushing that infection and the pus deeper into the skin layers, which is gonna damage good skin cells around it. So you have to, if you can kind of, you know, figure out a way to pop it such that you're applying pressure only on the pimple and you're breaking it, you know, outwards, maybe prick it for, I'm not gonna, you know what, I don't want this to turn into a how to pop your pimple, but try not to pop your pimple. As soon as you feel something, you know, kind of residing in your face, you know when a pimple is just showing up, use a pimple patch, use salicylic acid serum. There are so many of those acne, you know, preventing little things these days. One of that, so the pimple will not reach a point where it is ripe that you have to pop. So you really should not pop your pimple, okay? That is tip number one. Not double cleansing your face at the end of the night, especially on makeup wearing days. I get this question a lot. Even my dad has asked me, you know, Mola, you apply so much makeup for filming, isn't that gonna harm your face? But it hasn't harmed my face, and the reason is because I have a very religious but very simple makeup removing technique. It's a two-step routine that I've spoken about on this channel many times, guys. So if you are a regular on this channel, you know exactly what I'm about to say. But if you feel like a friend of yours have no clue, please share this video with that friend so they can also, you know, get into the right way of cleansing their face, because this is where makeup application and the pollution and the sunscreen clogs your pores and becomes bad for your skin. Not properly cleansing. You need to start double cleansing. What is double cleansing? I'm going to explain one more time. Step one is going to use a cleansing balm or a micellar water and remove the makeup all over your face. That step is to first, you know, the pollution, the sunscreen, the oil, the grime, the makeup, the mascara, the waterproof lipstick, the blush, the cream, you know, all of these products, the foundation, concealer, these are today built to really sustain 12 hours, 24-hour wear. So just a face wash is not going to remove it, guys. You need to have that first step of cleansing. And step number two is to use a face wash that is gentle but also thorough enough to get into your pores and really cleanse out your skin, but without drying out your skin. So you have completely stripped your face of everything bad, but you have not ruptured your skin barrier, causing more trouble. So a good balance, a good face wash is so important. There was a time when I used to think that face washes are all the same, just anything is enough, you know. Anyways, today I want to talk about a brand new launch by Lakme. This is the Micellar Pure So I start with the micellar water, which is great to cleanse, hydrate and remove everyday makeup, pollution, sunscreen and grime. The Lakme Micellar Water removes up to 5 layers of everyday makeup in a single swipe. It is made up with magnetic micelles to give you a 2-time deep pore cleanse. If you do not know what micelles are, they act like magnets that go deep into the skin and gently pulls out the impurities, makeup and pollutants. To use this, you can soak a cotton pad with the micellar water and place it around your eyes. Leave it on for 30 seconds if you have waterproof or stubborn eye makeup or lipstick, and then slowly and gently wipe it away. It also has hyaluronic acid, which leaves the skin feeling hydrated and cleansed. This is suitable for all skin type, even sensitive skin. After cleansing your face with the micellar water, you will follow up with the face wash. It cleanses my skin super nicely, not too harsh, but gets the job done. And guess what? It's got niacinamide to make my skin glow, take care of that pore health, and also hyaluronic acid to prevent that extra dryness of the skin. Do you see how easy it is, guys? Legit, this is it. I love that Lakme products are so easy to find. You can get them online and you can also get them in your nearest local stores, and also they are so affordable. The face wash is only 149 rupees and the micellar water is only 230 rupees. I love it. I'm so surprised to hear people still say that sunscreen is a myth. The problem is a lot of misinformation that goes around on the internet that, sunscreen is a cancer causing agent and, you need to apply coconut oil instead. Guys, applying oil on your face and stepping out into the sun is going to burn your skin. Burn. You know how we make pakoras? By boiling oil on the fire. That's what's gonna happen to our skin if we apply any sort of oil, so there is no such thing as natural sunscreen from coconut oil. Apply a sunscreen. A few years ago, we did not have a lot of options that suited Indian skin tones and Indian climate, but today the market is filled with amazing sunscreens. I keep talking about some of my favorites over here over and over again. Pick whatever suits your budget, pick whatever suits your convenience, but you need to apply a sunscreen, and not just on your face but also on the neck, on your hands, wherever that is exposed. Also, I see in really polluted states like Bangalore and Bombay, I see girls tie their head with a scarf. That's a great thing to do as well, because you're protecting your skin from the pollution as well as the sun. So that's great as well, hold an umbrella. You really have to protect your skin, okay? This is not just for anti-tan, because India is so color minded. It's also for the safety of your skin, because UV rays are actually dangerous to the skin, and also these hyperpigmentation, melasma spots, those kind of things. Also aging, that is for me the biggest. I don't want any fine lines and wrinkles, so I'm very religious with my sunscreen, and now we have the sticks to reapply as and when we need to reapply sunscreens. The fourth mistake that a lot of you are making is DIY face mask and moisturizers and those kind of things. Now, I used to make a lot of DIY face masks in the beginning of my YouTube channel, and I actually honestly don't think there is anything wrong with it, because in Ayurveda, we have that uptan and those kind of things that are proven to be great for the face. But the problem is, because of Instagram and TikTok, there are random people giving really dangerous advice these days that is actually burning the skin of people. So it is better not to, you can't apply tea tree oil directly on your face. You have to have a carrier oil, you have to dilute it, and also tea tree oil is not suitable for all people. Some people are really sensitive, and you can actually cause burns, actual burns on your skin with tea tree oil. Putting lemon directly on your face, scrubbing lemon with sugar on your face, these are things that are actually dangerous to your skin if you do it over and over again. And these are certain things, like rubbing lemon on my face is something that I have done myself. It's really bad for your skin, guys. And so I feel like skincare is so inexpensive these days. It's just better to buy a bottle where a formulator and a chemist, a doctor, these people have come together to make something for you. We have face masks, serums, moisturizers, everything is available in a package. So why really go to the kitchen and, you know, experiment with your skin? You know, if it is something simple like a cucumber or tomato and yogurt, honey, these are great anyway. That's not gonna harm your face. But I'm talking about certain ingredients like cinnamon powder. Oh my god, it's not good for your face. It will burn your face. I've seen people put clove oil on their face. There are so many dangerous ingredients in the kitchen that should not be on your face in a DIY face mask. Number 5 is applying too many serums hoping for a very fast result. So, you know, because I make skincare videos, I get a lot of comments saying, Jovi, can I use all of these? Like if it is a, you know, favorite skincare video or a favorite serum video, 5, can I use everything every day? You probably can, but should you? Do you need to? Don't overwhelm your skin, guys. Just apply, like, you know, if you have acne and hyperpigmentation, you have multiple skin problems, target one at a time, you know, and then move on to the next. Don't overwhelm your skin. And on the other side of the spectrum is completely ignoring your skin as well. You know, the base minimum is just to wash your face and moisturize your face. If you're getting up, don't moisturize, just apply sunscreen. Wash your face and sunscreen. These you must do. Okay? The next skincare mistake that you're making is not changing your pillowcase and not washing your makeup brushes, because acne is also coming from there, you guys. You'll be like, I'm doing everything right, I'm applying the salicylic acid, Jovi, I'm listening to everything you're saying, but you might not be washing your pillowcase. You might not be washing your brushes. You know, a lot of bacteria is introduced from there. And if you have dandruff, you have to treat your dandruff. That can be causing acne. So these are some of the very, very commonly made skincare mistakes that I have seen a lot of my friends and family make as well. So stop making them. Yeah. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. I love you so much, and I shall see you in my next one. Mwah.